Bataye baat bhai. No one can help you out. The more and more you don't give up an opportunity to serve. Swami Shivananda Maharaj has written 310 books. But he said, a gist of my saying is, serve, love, give. Purify, meditate and realize. Serve, love, give, purify, meditate and realize. He used to sing in ecstasy. Serve, love, give, purify, meditate, realize. Be good, do good. Be kind, be compassionate. Serve, love, give, purify, meditate, realize. Be good, do good. Be kind, be compassionate. Inquire who am I? Know thyself and be free. Inquire who am I? Know thyself and be free. You are not this body. You are not this restless mind. You are the essence of immortal Atman, radiant Atman, eternal divinity. This is your duty, foremost duty. Therefore do it now. Do not postpone. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Key to success, key to excel. What is that? Serve, love, give, purify, meditate, realize, be good, do good, be kind, be compassionate, inquire who am I, know thyself and be free. And he said, do it now. That's very essential. The whole problem is we keep on postponing. Imagine when Ravan was lying in a field. Rama is asking to Lakshmana, oh Lakshmana, go to Ravan and ask him, what is the secret of to be conquering such a three cosmic worlds? And what is the cause that he is lying like this? I hope you must have heard the story or must have read the book of Idi Amin. Idi Amin, you if not find it out, the rise and fall of Idi Amin. What was the secret to come up? What was the secret to go down? Lakshmana also comes and asks. Ravana said so one word, Nahi swa upasita kohi purusasya svaveda. Never say tomorrow. There is no security of the tomorrow. To excel in the action, don't say tomorrow. Do it now. This very moment. Very essential factor. When you say tomorrow, there is no security. Man bhi thanda ho jayega. Bharosa bhi kya hai? People may be having an interest or not. Very essential. Nahi swasva upasita. In Durga Saptasati, the first thing has been killed is a Mahisa Asura. Mahisa is a buffalo. The greatest buffalo within us is that so-called ego. Then comes a Dhumra Lochana. A Dhumra Lochana is very essential factor. What is a Dhumra Lochana? Now, Delhi is suffering because of the fog. Because of the fog, 600 flights are cancelled. Trains are getting 8, 10, 12 hours late. Why? Because they are not able to see. I have got a specs with me. You also must be having. When you come out from your air-conditioned car is cool inside. Outside is warm. The moment you come out, you see a fog comes on the glass. For a time being, you cannot see. You have to take it out. You have to clean it, wipe it out. Then you can see. Many a time, when a heavy rain is there, you keep on putting a wiper quickly, but you can't see anything. 10 feet also you cannot take because of the heavy rain. That is a dhumra lochana. From the eyes he cannot see anything. He becomes a blind. What he is supposed to see, he cannot see. What he is not supposed to see, he won't see. What's the problem to him? And because of that, he makes an accident. Accidents happens why? When something is nearby and you don't see. In our India, I have never seen anywhere else. But when you go specially to the London, small streets are there and round zigzags are there. They keep a huge big concave glasses. And then they write there, when you turn, you see a vehicle. You say the vehicle which you see behind is more closer than what you see here. And when you turn also, you see your own figure. Because you have to see it. Otherwise you make an accident. Why we are not excel in our action? Because we don't see. The whole problem is a dhumra lochana. All things. What we see? One day, Akbar is asked to Birbal, Birbal, there are how many blind people in Agra? And he said, so I have to make a list. Okay, how much? One day is enough. Early morning he sat in front of a palace. Everyone asked, Birbal, kya kar rahe ho? Wait, what's your name? Let me write down. So he started write down. And Birbal was absent in the court. Even the king came to know, the Badshah, Salamat came to know. क्या हो रहा है? बाहर जूता सी रहा है बैठ के. जूता सी रहा है in front of a palace? Yes. Birbal, क्या कर रहे हो? Wait, let me write down. In the evening, Badshah says, कितना अंधा है? बोले, सबसे पहले आपका नाम है. Your name is in the top. क्या कर रहा है? What you are doing? Can't you see I am showing the shoes? He said so. We see, but we don't see. That's the whole problem. If you see to see, then no problem. There's a very interesting Karnataka sayings are there. I love to repeat it like a parrot number of times. Those who claim and say that I know, actually they don't know. It's very essential, you must know. You claim, you are having a so-called a false understanding. False, Dhumra lochana, false. Those who claim and say that I know, actually they don't know. To know, they must know that they don't know. Then the chances to know. But unfortunately, you know that you know, actually you don't know, no chances to know. It's very essential matter. You have to know. Arey bhai, suno. When online you are purchasing a ticket to go to Calcutta or Delhi, they say, you put from where to where. You see, you just write, give a ticket of the Calcutta. But from where? What is your beginning? Fundamental, the beginning we don't know. Dhumra lochana. Simply blind. We don't understand this. This is not a very essential matter. Ravana said so, nahi swaswa upasita, kohi purusasva svaveda. He said, say, don't say tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. And he confesses before his death, I was such a great person, known to the world. I have lifted the whole Mount Kailas in my hand. And you know the Ravana, such a great, learned, scholarly person. 10,000 years are over. No one has composed a Shiva's prayer like this. Jatatavi galajvala pravaga pavitastale kale valam valumbitam bhujangatunggamanitam damad 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 ninadavad damarvayam chakara chandatandavam tanotu na shivasvayam jatakata sambramam brahmanyalim panirjari vilola vichivallari virajamana murdani tagad 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 jalallalata patta pavake kishora chandrasekhare rati pratikshanamama. What a beautiful composition. This Ravana said so, that I had a desire, again a desire. What desire? That this Kshara Sagara, the Sri Lanka, the Colombo is surrounded with a salty water of ocean. I will make it a Kshira Sagara. I will turn it in a milky waves ocean. What a beautiful thing, and a desire. But the desire was there, imagination was not there, and DIN was not there, do it now was not there. So he said, nahi swasa, I will do it tomorrow, it will do tomorrow, I will do tomorrow, 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 tomorrow. And it was never done. He had another desire, from Sri Lanka to make a Grand Trunk Road, express highway, up to the Indra's abode. I will do it tomorrow, I will do it tomorrow. He has never done it. To excel in the work, to excel in the action, my master Swami Shivanji Maharaj is giving you 2 words. Remember this, when he said D-I-N, repeat with me, say D-I-N. Again, D-I-N. Do it now. Anything good, do it now. Another word is a K-I-V. Say K-I-V. Keep in view. Joshu, Thaise, Hashe, Thashe, you will never do it. No. Do it now. Put your whole being there, whole force there. Not in easy going. No. You see, last year, not this year, the last year when I was in Milwaukee, in Wisconsin state, I was invited to preside over a Arangatram. We know Arangatram here only, the Bharatanatyam dance is Arangatram. No, any musical or a dance performance first time on the stage is known as Arangatram. There were about some 12, 13 kids. Their ages were 13 years and 14 years. They were playing Veena, Mridangam, and Ramasingha, singing. 350 years old music of a Tyagaraja they were singing. 12, 13 kids. What's their age? 12, 13 only. Wonderful. They wanted me to go and say something. I said, let me touch their feet. Who's your guru? I said, Guru is in Calcutta. Guru is in Calcutta. And how do you learn? एक कंप्यूटर में होता है ना, स्क्राइब बोलते हैं क्या? बोलो बोलो भाई. आप लोग पढ़े लिखे, you are learned people. With that they are learning. And the young guy said, so was the youngest one as a 10 years, 11 years. It said, I am thankful to my mom. My mom kept on, abhyas padinga, abhyas padinga, abhyas padinga, abhyas padinga, abhyas padinga. Keep it practicing, keep it practicing, keep it practicing, keep it practicing. Guru is in India, in Calcutta. Kids are in Milwaukee, in Wisconsin. And look here, the mother is there to say, do practice, do practice, do practice, do practice. Do you think that excellence was there? Excellence doesn't require any miracle to do like this. Excellence doesn't require the Swami should put his hand upon your head. His excellence is within you. You have an urge. Satunairantarya dirghakala paryanta satkara savito dradabhumi. That within you the urges should be there. I had tears in my eyes. I have given a hug to all these kids. The youngest one, I lifted him up. So beautiful. What was the secret? Putting his all effort. Dhumralochan nahi chalega. You have to clean, wipe it out. But a clear, not in imagination, your concept, cognition, perception should be just clean, and then everything is for you. Very interesting. Dhumralochana. Then there are two more, the Sumbha Nishumba, and comes Raktabija also, Chanda Munda also. What is that Raktabija? Raktabija is a devil. When the goddess Durga wants to slay his head, one drop of blood falls on the ground. Then how many drops of the blood falls on the ground? So many Raktabijas are sprouting from the ground. So Durga said, so, O Mahakali, Vistirana Vadanam Kuru. O Devi, open your mouth. Don't allow any drop to fall down. What is that drop? Desire. If you fulfill one desire, 10 desire will come. Fulfill 10 desire, 100 desire will come. It's like a patra satra. Someone writes a one letter, you give a reply. Someone has sent me some message in a so-called a mobile. So immediately I told, thank you. So they say, thanks to you, Swami. Then I told, Jai Mata Di. Say, Jai Swami ki. What is this? Exchange karte chale jao. There is no end of it. It's a Raktabija only. One desire you fulfill, 10 desire will come. 10 you fulfill, 100 will come. You cannot excel in your action. Control. Raktabija, control. Vistranavadanam kuru. Bring your whole being totally out to kill this desire chapter. As long as your mind is diverted, you can't have an excellence of that. Then comes a Chanda and Munda. Lust and anger. Lust and anger, it can't do. Gentleman is asked the question, Swami, a sexual relation after wedding with a wife or the spouse can be an obstacle in excellence in action? No. What is the relation of the excellence in action in this? This is a natural course. You are the husband, she is the wife, and you have got your own personal life. Why to bring in that? But the lust is there when your mind goes somewhere else. When your mind is diverted, your mind is looking here, there, everywhere, then you put yourself in a problem. You need one thing, it is what? A total control over your own self. Yes, then there is no problem. When you go to the Shiva temple, you have to first climb steps. When you climb the steps, then you have to walk little in the temple. Then Nandi is there, then Toto is there, then Ganesha is there, then Hanuman is there. Then you go inside Centrum, then the Shiva is there. What is that? It is all known as a total concentration and total control of the self. Now it's Anushasanam, Atha Yoga Anusasanam. So this is a self-discipline. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, then Samadhi, the excellence. What is Yama? When you climb the steps, is a Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya, Parigraha. Ahimsa is a non-violence. Satya is a truth. Brahmacharya is a celibacy. Aparigraha, not collecting so many things. Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, not to steal someone's matter. Aparigraha. These are all things, basic disciplines. Satya, Ahimsa, Chori, na Karvi, Vanajotu, Nava Sangarvu. What meant Bapuji to say like that? Very essential factor. Any small matter. She Anandmayi Mas, one of the book I am translating nowadays, she said so that normally my mother has decided to go somewhere else without seeking a permission from my father or the elderly people of the house. We just boarded in a boat. She said, I stopped seeing from my eyes. Anandmayi Ma said, so I was just a little baby. I was not able to see. I started vomiting. 2 days we were spent there. Then they realized that this baby is not going to be all right, let us go back. The moment we were boarded in a boat for coming back, my eyes started seeing. Imagine this power, that anything is happening wrong, your body should not. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa Dev said, so, takar mati, matir taka. This earth and clay and money, they both is the same. If I touch money, I get a fire. Swami Vivekananda Maharaj just kept a coin underneath of the carpet where he used to come and sit. The moment he touched, he said, Odeya Baba, Mode Garam, Kyo Ache? Was what happening? I'm feeling burning. So he went out, he said, lift this. They find a coin and look here. Kire Noren, tui korechis, bhaloi korechis. Oh Naren, you've done a good thing. He said, Sadhuke, dine belai dekhte hobe, ratri belai dekhte hobe. Watch the monk during daytime also and night time also to see his reality. That in publicly he behaves something like this. Namaste. And without piche aisa karega. That is no good. It's hypocrisy. No, it won't work. So this lust and anger, they are all chanda and munda. The lust and anger comes, you don't know what you are supposed to do and what you are not supposed to do. Sangat sanjayate kama. Kamat krodho vijayate. Krodhat bhavati sammoha. Sammoha smriti vibhrama. Smriti vibhramshat buddhinasho. Buddhinashat pranasyati. Raga dvesha viyuktestu vishayanendriyeswaran. It's all because of you. Adveshta sarabhutanam maitra karunaivacha nirmamoha nirhankara samah dukkha skakshami santushta satatam yogi yatatma radhanishaya mayarpitavano buddhi yo madbhakta same priya. You have to be within your own self. Going to temple and ringing the bell, or going for a namaz, going to a church is okay. The rituals, putting some light here and there is okay. Nothing wrong in that. But you check your own so-called your very nature of yours, that are you sure that you are a pure? Adveshta sarabhutanam. Don't have a jealousy for anyone. Jealousy is the biggest problem, is worse than a cancer. There is a cancer hospital. I was told one other new cancer hospital is coming up in Nadiyad, I believe so. Cancer hospital. But what about within us a jealousy? Is there any treatment for it? Who will give injection for to you? Who will give a chemotherapy for this jealousy? So here is very essential. Sangha sanjayate kama. Excellent won't give unless and until we are having a correct company for the excellence. correct company for our action. When you are having a wrong company, then your mind will be diverted, and when the diverted comes, a wrong desire comes. Wrong desire, when you are not able to fulfill a desire, what will happen? Then only thing, you lose temper, because it hurts your ego. Hurting the ego. Too much of sentiment is no good. Remember one, emotion is not a devotion. Try to be very frank. Try to be very transparent. Try to be very, a so-called a clean man. Too much of thinking your own self, keep on brooding, can't help you out for the excellence in the action. Be just frank about the subject, that this is all correct. So, what is the Chandana Munda? It's a lust and anger. Sangha sanjayate kamaha. A wrong company will have a wrong desire. Kamat krodha vijayate. When a desire is not fulfilled, it will hurt your ego, and then you will lose your temper. Krodhat dhavati sammoha. In the anger, you don't know what you are supposed to say, what you are not supposed to say. I am supposed to do or not supposed to do. Many years before I was in Surendra Nagar, in the prison to give a talk to the prisoners, I found a young man, hardly must be 20 years old. There was not a proper moustache even, and he had a yellow cap. I went next to him, putting my hand in his neck. I asked, yellow cap is only for the murderer people. I don't think that you got a strain to murder someone. How you are here? He said, not myself. I was sitting next to my dad, and my dad made a murder. Who's? My elder brother. What's your name? He said, some Karuna Shankar. A Brahmane? What made you kill your dad to an elder brother? He said, my mom